Good morning, Coryell's class. Good morning. Today we finished 4.6, adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Can you guys add and subtract mixed numbers? Yes. I'm going to just skip through a couple of these words. An improper fraction has a difference between the numerator and the denominator. What's true about the numerator compared to the denominator?
It's bigger.
It's bigger, right? It's bigger. A fraction is simply a?
Division problem.
And how do we convert from a mixed to an improper? Around the world, okay? We're all going to read this one together on the count of 3. Everyone's going to stay together. 1, 2, 3.
When adding or subtracting mixed numbers, you must convert to improper fractions first.
So when I look at 2 and 1/2, and I am adding to it 1 and 1/2, are these mixed numbers?
Yes.
Can I just add those as they are?
No.
What do I need to convert them to?
Improper fractions.
Say again?
Improper fractions.
And what process do we use to convert to improper fractions?
Around the world method.
So once we do around the world, we've got 5 halves and 3 halves, yes?
Yes.
What do we do next? No, you don't? The denominators are the same, so therefore we can add them together, right?
Yes.
Okay, and is this a final answer right here?
No.
That's not a final answer. Hey, sir, can you look up at the screen and answer the questions like you're supposed to? So this is what's going to make the video longer now. So that's an improper fraction. You can't have an answer as an improper fraction, so we need to convert it into a mixed number. In this case, it's going to turn out to be a whole number, right?
Yes.
Fractions are what kind of problems again?
Division.
Division problems, okay? All right, so we're going to scroll on down. Remember, all answers must be in mixed number form,
Yes.
and all work must be using what kind of fractions? All right, here we go. We're going to do this problem right here. Okay, so the problem to start with was 6 1/4 plus 2 1/9. Yes or no?
Yes.
So in green, that's our problem, yeah?
Yes.
Can I add mixed numbers?
No.
What do I need to convert them to? Using what process? So when I do around the world for 6 1/4, what do I get? 25 over 4. And I'm going to add that because I have to drop my addition sign, right?
Yes.
And I'm going to add that to 19 over 9 because when you do around the world, you get 19 over 9, right?
Yes.
Okay, so when we look at our denominators, are 4 and 9 the same?
No.
Hey guys, can you look up at the screen again? So same exact group. Can you look up at the screen and actually answer the questions that I'm asking so that we don't have to take this video to like 7 or 8 minutes long? Can you both do that, yes or no? Okay, so I need you looking up at the screen. Okay, so again, we have uncommon denominators. Therefore, we need to find a common denominator, right?
Yes.
So what do 4 and 9 both go into? 36. So we're going to go right below, again, and we're going to write 36 a couple of times. We're going to write our fraction bars, and we're going to drop our plus sign, right?
Yes.
After that, we make our... And we know that 4 goes into 36 how many times?
9.
So we write our times 9, and what do we multiply the top number by? 9. Can I use a calculator for this?
Yes.
So what is 25 times 9?
225.
So if you use your calculator, you're going to get 225, right?
Yes.
How do you get from 9 to 36? What do you multiply by?
4.
4, so we have our bubble, right?
Yes.
And what, 19 times 4, can I use a calculator for that?
Yes.
So I get 76?
Yes.
All right, sweet. Are my denominators now the same?
Yes.
So what do I do now? Well, I already top gunned them. They're the same. So what do I do? So I add 225 and 76. Can I use a calculator? What do you get?
31.
Over?
36.
Is that an answer?
No.
So we need to actually do division because it's a division problem, right?
Yes.
Can I use a calculator?
Yes.
So I do 301, numerator in the box, denominator outside the box, right?
Yes.
And does 36 go into 3?
No.
Does 36 go into 30?
No.
Does 36 go into 301?
Yes.
You guys probably determined it was 8 times, right?
Yes.
We got 288. We subtracted and got 13 for our remainder, right?
Yes.
But we're not going to answer with the remainder. We're going to answer with a mixed number.
Yes.
So my remainder is my numerator, and my denominator is going to be the divisor over here, yes?
Yes.
Final answer, 8 and 13, 36.
Yes.
Quick question. What's 6 plus 2?
8.
Does this answer seem like it makes sense then?
Yes.
We good?